In this video, I'll show you how to add fonts to Adobe Acrobat. First, it's important to understand that Adobe Acrobat does not usually have a separate font installation button inside the app. Acrobat uses the fonts that are already installed on your computer, so if you want to use a new font in Adobe Acrobat, you need to install that font on your Windows or Mac device first. Start by downloading the font you want to use, make sure you download it from a trusted source, and check that the font file is in a common format, such as TTF or OTF. These are standard font file types that work with most computers and design programs. Also, before using the font, check the license. Some fonts are free for personal use only, while others can be used for commercial projects. If you are creating business documents, client files, branding materials, or anything you plan to share publicly, make sure the font license allows that type of use. If you are using Windows, open the folder where the font file was downloaded. If the font is inside a zipped folder, right-click the zipped folder and choose Extract All first. Then open the extracted folder, right-click the font file, and choose Install. You may also see Install for all users. This option is useful if you want the font to be available across all apps and user profiles on the computer. If you are using a Mac, double-click the font file. This will open the font in Font Book. Click Install Font, then wait for the installation to finish. If Font Book shows any warnings, review them before continuing. After the font is installed, close Adobe Acrobat completely. Then open Acrobat again. Restarting the app is important because Acrobat needs to refresh the list of available fonts. Now open the PDF you want to edit. Go to All Tools, then choose Edit a PDF. Click on the text you want to change, then look for the font drop-down menu in the formatting toolbar. Open the font list and search for the font you just installed. Select it, and Acrobat should apply it to the text you selected. If the font does not appear, restart your computer and try again. Also, make sure the font installed correctly and is not still inside a zipped folder. If you are creating a PDF from another program like Microsoft Word, Canva, Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign, apply the font inside that program first. Then export or save the file as a PDF. When possible, choose an option to embed fonts so the document looks the same on other devices. And that's how you add fonts to Adobe Acrobat, by installing them on your computer first. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.